Sift through the basics. Understanding Sift the Flour. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a commonly used phrase in English, especially in cooking: sift the flour. Understanding phrases like this is key to improving your English proficiency. So, let's get started. Sift the flour refers to a process in baking and cooking. Sifting is a technique where you pass flour through a sieve or sifter to break up lumps and aerate it. This makes the flour lighter and easier to combine with other ingredients. It's a simple but essential step in many recipes, especially for baking cakes and bread. Sifting flour is not just about removing lumps. It's about improving the texture of your baked goods. When flour is aerated, it mixes more evenly with other ingredients, leading to a smoother and more consistent batter or dough. This can make a significant difference in the final product, making it lighter and fluffier. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Prepare your tools. You'll need a sieve or a flour sifter. 2. Measure the flour. Always measure the flour before sifting. 3. Sift. Gently tap the sieve or turn the handle of the sifter over a bowl. 4. Use immediately. For best results, use the sifted flour immediately in your recipe. Not measuring the flour before sifting can lead to inaccurate amounts in your recipe. Skipping the sifting process might result in heavier, denser baked goods. Overworking the flour during sifting can compact it, defeating the purpose of aerating it. I hope this video has shed light on the meaning and importance of the phrase, sift the flour, in cooking and baking. Remember, small steps like sifting can make a big difference in your culinary adventures. Happy baking and learning! See you in our next video.